Finding good meme coins on Dexscreener is pretty easy if you know what you are doing. I'm looking for you in this video. I'm going to reveal the exact same way I use in looking for good meme coin that has done well in the past. What I want you to do is simply watch it from the beginning to the end. Do not skip any part because I will be revealing secrets that other YouTubers will not reveal. So when you come to Dexscreener, all you need to do on this home page, you're going to look for small coins with smaller market cap that their liquidity has been locked. Either way you can do this is when you come on base screener and it come to these 5 minutes and you can see these are 5 minutes. Then you can click on it to sort it. So click on it to sort it. It's going to give you coins that that is doing well in the last 5 minutes. You can see these particular coins are quite doing well in the last 5 minutes and you can see that market cap is quite small. Again, the same market cap. The reason we are going for coins with smaller market cap is because Memecoin basically deals with market cap again. If you buy a coin with small market cap and that particular coin increases in price, you're going to make much more money than if you buy a coin with bigger market cap get. Because it's going to be easy for a coin to do for a coin that is less than 1M get. Like this particular coin that is in 199K market cap. If this coin goes to 1 million market cap, that is close to 10x you get. But for a coin that already has 10 million market cap, for that coin to do 10x, that coin to go to at least 20 million market cap you get, which may be very difficult to understand. So this idea, so all you do is to once you toggle this button, this family button. Also, sure you click on this space to show coins that already has profile. When you do it, look for the ones. Just look for just open anyone you see on this place. You get that has low market cap. Once you open them up in the new tab, next is for you to go in and check the coins you get. You can see this particular one. Boomer market cap is 130K market cap and show that liquidity is locked. You get the most important thing is for you to check if there are people buying the coin, putting extra money into this particular coin you get. So to do this, tap on this on a tap greater than $100. So it's going to show you in real time if there are people putting in money into this particular coin you get. So for a good coin, you should see people putting money into the coin, people buying into the coin. But if you see that people are not buying the coin, not putting like amount money into this coin, you should ignore it. And as you can see, well, last time somebody putting Bitcoin into this coin was 2 minutes ago. You get. Also, before you can buy the coin, put in the last 5 minutes and ensure that there are volumes coming in. The last 5 minutes, volume coming to 25K. And you can also check that Twitter page, which you can check from this particular place to see if they have an active Twitter account and if there are people tweeting about it. As you can see, last time the Twitter participation was about 1 hour ago. Yet, and you can also search for the CA. Get it's very search for the CA to see if there are influencers. On this page, you can copy the CA. This is to copy the CA and then head over to Twitter. On Twitter, come to this search bar, paste the country address of the CA and hit on the search bar. So if you see top accounts posted about it, you know that this coin will do. As you can see, last time they tweeted about this, it's about 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours ago. That's last time they tweet about this particular coin. So nobody is going to tweet about this coin. So everybody's coin, you should probably kind of wait. This was like 6 minutes ago, colon, and this not even the coin, this is another coin that's what tweeted about 6 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago, but still very fast. Okay, then if you want to buy, because otherwise you buy this, you get except because this will give you quick gain, except probably by tomorrow, people will comes into this particular coin. If you're on this coin, might probably not do what you get, but it's still a very low market cap, and I just want to see some key market cap you get. So if volume do not come to this coin will die off. You should know that the story of all meme coin is that once they start, let's say they start from this particular place, they tend to root up. And once they get to their apex, they need to see that start dying down if everybody start losing interest in it and no longer trend you get. And as you can see right on this place, Bitcoin has gone up to 600k market cap and now suddenly is dying off you get. So this coin might end up dying off if volume does not come into the coin. So before you can get into this particular coin, if you want to buy, you should I expect to see volume come in. By volume, I mean should be seeing people buying into this particular coin. You get before you before you can enter if you want to enter because you can see right it is slowly dying or volume is very small. You get so what you're looking for is that okay at credit is at all 100k market cap, which is a very good place to buy if the case want to do well. But in one moment you see that there's a break at let's say you put this in the 1 minute chat and you see that okay in this 1 minute chat people start entry again. He will start entry this particular coin. Then probably you should think about buying again. You get so if you see that okay at this place, you can see that this particular coin it's attack this particular place. You get so you see break at above this 120k market cap. You get it's probably shows that people wants to come or you see that it gets to 100 like you know so that this coin wants to trend again, so you can probably buy into it. You understand? So let's take a look at the second coin I opened up, which is this. And as you can see, this was one same thing. The coin 100 market cap is 122k market cap, and consistently that is off. Let's go back to the open the most recent ones. Okay, so I'm not gonna open those ones. This particular one market cap is 334k market cap, and if let's open this up in a new chat and let's see the other one like probably open up in a new chat. Yes. Okay, this is one of the ones I recently opened. As you can see, don't show that liquidity is locked. Yes. If a coin liquidity is not locked, you should not buy to that particular coin. It's possible that liquidity is still locked, but Dexscreener has not updated it yet. So for the check liquidity is actually locked, we to come back and copy the CA, they come over to Telegram. I'm going to make use of this boot called TTL boot to check if liquidity is locked. Because if liquidity is not locked, it's actually very bad indications that the coin probably locked. Okay, very low liquidity. Liquidity is unlocked, which shows that this coin, not Bitcoin. Liquidity they put on this particular coin is still $6, the market cap is still 60. So what you should do is don't trade this coin at all. Let's go over to the next one. This background one, liquidity is locked. Market cap set one well. So in the last 5 minutes, you can see that a little volume come into this particular coin. You should know that you should buy a coin that has volume, but this one does not have volume, does not look good. So we just skip it and move to the next one. And this particular one is actually looking really very nice, as you can see. 200 taking market cap liquidity is locked, and which can confirm using the TTL boots. Then other things you should check for is the people are putting into this coin get. So if you want to buy to the coin, you should buy at a discounted price at psychological level to get. So for this coin, as you can see, the previous high was 200k market cap and it's now close to 200k market cap get. So don't buy at the highs. You can wait if the coin retraces back to this particular support level. You can see this support level. If coin retraces back to this particular level, you can get to this particular coin you get, but don't buy at the very top. You can see this one that opening is actually really very doing well. Market cap is 118, the liquidity is locked. As you can see, this coin retraces and it's going up. So you can see right, it's really a very good place for you to buy into this particular coin. You can see that it touched the 1 million market cap, retraces and the previous support zone, which is about 200k market cap. As you can see now, it's going up again. So this is actually a very good place for you to buy. And if you find this coin like this, or probably on that coin, then you can trade it exactly the same way. You get, but guys, I'm not recommending you buy this particular coin and make a video of. But by the time you might be seeing this video, the coin might have done a whole lot. You get. So I'm just telling you guys that in next time you are trading looking for coins, you know what to do you understand? So if you put in 5 minutes, you can also see the chart and the coin is currently leaving this particular support level. And if you want to say get each parameter you bought this coin, should be looking to say at 800k market cap, you get, because another place was the previous high, understand? And you can also check the Twitter to see if it is trending, but I think this is actually looking good. You get, okay, if you can also check this to see if the people putting money into this particular coin. As you can see, somebody bought the coin for 1k dollars, which is actually quite impressive. You get, so, and let's look into this particular one, this last one. Like taking like liquidity is not locked. Liquidity is not locked in a coin because this means that this coin can be robbed. That can be robbed. The developers can simply remove the liquidity and everybody lose their money again. So do not buy a coin and liquidity is not locked. So you can confirm it's actually locked. Use it to tell vote. Yes. So let us give this a sec for to tell vote analysis on this particular coin. As you can see, loose clean liquidity is unlocked. So do not buy the coin yet. Well guys, basically this I can't really use this screener get. There are other ways, but this is basically the first ways again. You just need to look for it. So you can either use an 5 minutes or 1 hour. You need to look for coins actually in the last 1 hour, which I did. I used 5 minutes earlier. That was what gave me this one and this other one. So I came back to use 1 hour and I got some good coins which you can probably use. So guys, do not overthink it. If you are using this kind of find good coins, is very much easy. What matters is if Bitcoin are buying as volume and is currently trending at that particular time. Again, do not buy a coin that is dying off or that people don't got interest in. Buy coins that people are still interested in. Again. So guys, this is not financial advice. It's just a demonstration by buying good coins. Please do to like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. Come to my Telegram and WhatsApp community. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.